Hi, I'm Kate Richburg from Beeducation.com, and today I'm going to show you all about this terrific tool. Do you know what it is? It's an annealing pan, and it's perfect for annealing your wire and metal and also for different uses in your soldering. I'm going to show you how to use it. Let's say that you have a strip of copper sheet. It just lays right on top of that pumice stone, and you can come in with your torch, heat it up, and rotate the pan at the same time. This is going to make your torch really effective during the annealing process, so everything gets nice and evenly heated for a perfect anneal. The annealing pan is also a great support for your soldering surface. Here I've placed my cutoff piece of kiln brick, and it's great for doing things like ring bands. Let's say I was heating that join of the ring band, and as soon as my solder flowed, I could spin it right around and pull that solder through the seam. I don't have to actually, move that kiln brick by hand. It just simply rotates right on that round annealing pan and makes soldering ring bands really easy.